Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a man with the normal dress, and also he's standing in front of the opened door in the house. And after using the spatial prompt, this picture can be transformed totally into the Halloween vibes. And as you can see that this man also have the look of the Frankenstein, and he is also hanging or holding the Halloween pumpkin. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to access this Nano Banana into the Gemini AI, then it is very okay, and you can also try this AI photo editing into your another favorite AI, for example the Dance, or maybe the Flux or Cree. You can do your creation with the AI, and here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo editing, guys. And if you would like to access it via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this will be the look of the homepage of this Google. And after that, you can simply scroll down and you can click this Try Nano Banana, and you can click this plus and upload the file or upload the picture. For example here, and after that I will put the prompt into this section. Well, basically the prompt will be like this: transform the attached photo into the Halloween theme scene. The man in the picture is now dressed as the Frankenstein monster, and also complete characteristic features like the stitches, folds, and classic square hat. And also he is either holding the glowing carved Halloween pumpkin, and after that you can add the another detail like the colorful room should be heavily adorned with the various Halloween decoration, such as the decorative cobwebs draped over furniture and doorways, and also the plastic spiders like this. And after that you can also add the another accessories, for example hanging ghost, and also skeletal reaching out or eerie flickering lights. And also the lighting should be dimmed to create more dramatic shadows and enhancing the spooky ambience. And overall the composition should be cinematic and realistic, with the ultra detailed texture conveying a fun yet slightly unsettling Halloween vibe. And you can simply give this prompt a screenshot, or you can also copy it from the description box. And after that you can click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, actually this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture. However, as I have the several experience to use this Nano Banana, so you can have the another picture or another output by only using one prompt, guys. So if you felt like not really satisfied about the result, don't worry, because you can still rerun this prompt in this section or this section, and after that you will have the another output of the picture. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.